ingredients is pizza sauce. Pizza sauce. You know what is pizza sauce? Then raise your pizza sauce. Okay, very good.
No, letter Nelly.
After putting the screen in, dough in the screen, so we will use the roller ducker. But our roller ducker is only one. So we will use the fork. Where is your fork? Okay. Okay, very good. So next, we will dump the dough using our fork. Okay. To avoid the bubbles. Okay? The rule of roller ducker is to avoid the bubbles when we will cook the pizza. Okay? Next, the ingredients. So first is the pizza sauce. Pizza sauce. Okay, put the pizza sauce using your spoon. Okay. And spread the sauce in the entire dough. The entire dough. Okay. Next, put the cheese, the bigger one. And sprinkle it covered in the pizza. Okay. Next is the pineapple. Pineapple. Put the ingredients into. Put the ingredients into upper to inner part of the dough to avoid center loading. Okay? Next is the mom. Okay, mom. Next is the top cheese, the small cheese. Okay. Oh, ano na siya? Okay. Hawaiian pizza. So, dapat pinanapagalindo na ninyo, ha? Okay. So, after that, so, iluto na rin siya pag sa oven. Okay, are you ready to make your own pizza? Are you ready? What is your name? Jenny P is very excited to make your own pizza. Are you ready? What is your name? Misty. Are you ready? Cute. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. So, dali ka. Ready na ba? Ready na? Yeah. How old are you na? How old are you? Okay, 3 years old.